The theory of color, sometimes called color theory, is the study of how humans perceive, organize, and use colors. It blends science, art, and psychology to explain how colors interact, how they affect mood and behavior, and how they can be combined effectively in design, art, and architecture. Scientific foundations. Human vision. The eye has cone cells that detect colors, the brain interprets them into the full spectrum. Historical development. Aristotle, 4th century BCE, saw colors as related to the four elements. Isaac Newton, 17th century, discovered the spectrum of light using a prism. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, 1810, proposed a psychological and artistic approach to color, influencing art, architecture, and design. Joseph Albers, 20th century, explored how colors interact and change perception depending on context, interaction of color. Color systems. Primary colors cannot be mixed from others, RGB or RYB, in art. Secondary colors, made by mixing primaries, e.g., red plus blue equals purple. Tertiary colors, mix of a primary and secondary. Color wheel, a circular diagram that organizes colors based on relationships. Color harmony and contrast. Complementary colors, opposite on the wheel, red-green, blue-orange. Analogous colors, next to each other, blue-blue-green-green. Triadic scheme, 3 colors evenly spaced on the wheel. Warm versus cool colors, warm, red, orange, yellow, equals energy, cool, blue, green, violet, equals calmness. Psychology of color. Colors influence human emotions, behavior, and perception. Applications in architecture and urban design. Wayfinding, using color coding for orientation in urban spaces. Safety, high visibility colors for lighting and signage. Well-being, biophilic design, greens, natural tones, to reduce stress. Smart cities, adaptive lighting that changes color temperature for safety and comfort. In summary, the theory of color is both scientific, light, perception, optics, and practical, art, design, psychology.
Artlist.io.
Which color do you think influences emotions the most?